Section 3-3 Conversation Practice. Please repeat after me. Te presento a mi amiga. Tanto gusto. Mucho gusto. El gusto es mío. Encantada. Let's break down this conversation in details. Te presento a mi amiga. Allow me to introduce my female friend to you. Tanto gusto. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. El gusto es mío. Encantada. Likewise, nice to meet you too. Let's wrap up what we have learned from this lecture. After covering this lecture, you'll be able to do the following. Applying adjectives of nationality in Spanish. And also, apply a sample dialogue practice to introduce a friend. For our next lecture, we will cover the preposition de. This is the end of this lecture, and see you in the next video.